way.
Ito daw parking sa gawa. Aka na sa gawa.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
You'll be our tour guide.
in your resort.
You'll be our tour guide for today. Ha? Come here. Singot kayo siya. Kulot mo na siya.
Because we have our own bar.
Grabe makamis. Uy.
So welcome to the bar.
Hello everyone, we're here today at El Mar Resort. This is located in Bourbon, Cebu, in the northern part of Cebu province. So this is their receiving area, or their lobby of course, but there's a pool here. So there you go, Zenon. And we'll be staying at the Presidential Villa, care of, thank you so much to the sponsors of our trip today, Miss Rocky and John, and of course Megan also. We are together with the family of May Ann and Josh, Kasuroy, Suroy Tabay, and My Food Mercado. So let's go ahead and check out what's here. So there's a pool over here, but we're going to go around the whole M. Luwelier property later on. Oh my gosh! Pwede tamang langoy dito, anak. Kasuroy!
Yes, mga kasuroy! Welcome to El Mar Resort. Ito mga kasuroy, grabe no, we're so blessed. Nag-invite na ni Ma'am Rocky, her family, din sa may El Mar. Kay, intaw, kami camera, ambot lang kung makaabot mo din eh. Bitaw. Thankful kayo, Mikay. At least ma-experience na mo ang El Mar na nag-trending previously. So at least karon magkahigayo na gyud ta og laag din eh. Og I'm so excited, and I think Maan is also excited. Yung mga Serena, Mami, ug Okoy ko sa dagat.
Grabe ka tinaw! Amazing! That is still a lobby, guys. So, see you later!
That's where we will enter later. We bring all our cars in there. See, look, it's really a house.
Senorita's place. El Sol. Casita. Roller coaster.
November, di ay November yan. Dinig pa kayo at this time.
This way.
Yeah, they're deluxe rooms. And this used to be their small cafeteria. Maura na ilang kananan before, but now that's where we will be having dinner there in that pavilion. That was being constructed when we first came here. So gamay ra kay makakaon diri. This is a coffee shop for merienda. But we will be having our buffet dinner there off that place there on the left. Yeah, later in the afternoon we can come here and, you know, picture. Hindi picture yung mura kag-dry na o palugin to start. Picture niya ita niya. Oo. Kami sa nagpa-picture mi din ha. Dry na. Kagabi inindot kayo siya because the sides are lighted. Yeah. Good picture din. You are welcome. This is something that should have been done a long time ago, but it's busy and everything. That's where we'll be eating here. That's where they serve breakfast and dinner buffet. Nice, no? Of your place, naada ka din na pwede na kamuswim.
Oh, muna ang view.
Yeah, dili sa
taas ay.
Yeah, that's what we saw from up here.
Where you were seated kanina?
Yeah.
Uy, katinaw.
Oh, kaya, no? Yan na mga kids.
Yan naman mga pin.
Ako, I'm not a picture person. Yeah, there's so much open space. And that's where you were seated kanina.
Yes.
Yeah, over there.
The lobby.
Ayan, there on top, di ay, o dito sa taas. Yeah.
Had we gone down, it's closed, Magayma.
Hmm?
So we can also...
So we're entering the presidential villa. Thank you. What's your name?
Ma'am?
Name.
Kevin, I'm Kevin.
Kevin of Elmar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Salamat.
Enjoy your stay, ma'am.
Thank you.
So there's really plenty rooms to sleep in.
Ano pala in sa basement? Wow. This is your room, Sean. This is your room. Your room with Janjet. Luxurious room. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Rocky. So this is room 1, guys. Wow. Closet is there. So this is room 1 of the presidential villa here in Elmar. That's the entrance. There's another room here. Did they come here?
Room 0.
Theater room and billiard.
What the?
May darts also.
Oh my god!
Kasi pwede ang mga bata matulog sa diri.
Grabe!
Area to sleep.
Amazing!
Oh, and then come here.
It's so big, kitty boy. There's a bar.
Pakita niya yung room eh. Pakita yung room ni John Jess.
Oh, there's an own pool.
Yes, we have our own pool.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, nag-ipo sila ka ng pwede ka magluwas. We have our own bar area.
Hello. Kitty, look.
Jump, kitty.
Exclusive pool for the villa.
Yung lagi ko, no? Mura tag-feeling rich for one day.
May nalaw nakasulay. Thank you, Miss Rocky.
Ko, di ba? Mura siya one of those Maria Luisa houses, ha, di ba? Naku kay siya.
Goals.
It's really big.
My own bar. Wow, long table dinner.
Yeah, but they cannot serve buffet here.
So
We have to
dito
go
ta.
there.
Wow.
And you could go down here. Muna na din na sa beach. Pangasa pa nagtuan ganiha.
Nag-tour.
Yeah, nag-tour.
Amazing.
Oh, amazing.
May ani. Da. Pwede mag-pool sa buntag.
Yeah, exactly. Nice good siya.
Kaayo.
Amaw ni ang room bilang may anya. Mao na ang inyong room.
Mm.
Yeah, that's the one.
As in,
Ha?
dagan kay mabidyuhan.
Yeah.
What is this here?
Ito siya glanay. Which you can pass through here.
Ah, okay. Oh, there's another door here. I hope I can open it. Can I? Oh, it's locked. It's locked. Okay, it's locked. Detour, detour. The house is so huge. Okay, so this is where you guys can tambay. This is where you can feel Princessa chillax chillax. Unsa na siya di out mao ni ang sa kitchen. This angle is so perfect. Like that. Pwede ko masod sa rooms. Mag-room tour na po siya. Oh, mo to kitchen. So we've entered room 1. I want to take a picture here while hayag pa. Okay. Busy kita video.
Busy na. Sige na.
Go, Megan.
There you go.
Sus, puro ga video. Room 2. We can't enter that room. So, May Ann's room. Room 3. Wow. Buhay Prinsesa. My gosh. You're like in England if you stay in room 3.
Yeah.
Like that. Like that. Can I look at the CR? Oh. May, you have a huge mirror, May.
We have a full-length mirror.
Have your own blower. So the theme of this room is greenish.
Yeah, wala siya European.
Yeah, you're European.
Ay, yung mga ocean.
Oh,
Ocean breeze.
look at that lamp. So, this is their view. Can you look at that? That's their view. Lamay, nindot ni tiktakan. May! Nindot mag-tiktak sa mga sa room. Nindot mag-tiktak ba niya? Kinigas-gawas dahil. Oh, naman di eh. Magkakita ganina. So we're staying at the blue room, number 4. Unique og set up for room, no? What is this? Oh, somewhere we shouldn't be. Oh, it's a smoking area. Smoking area. Nice, 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 nice. Perfection. So here in the theater room, there's also a billiard room. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's also darts. Ay, Enon! Ay, thank you. Lanlain, no?
Kuhaan yung mga...
One, two, three, funk it.